Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Vauxhall Mokka SE. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine with an automatic gearbox returning up to 43 miles per gallon. Fuel economy is up to 43 miles per gallon, and you also have a low insurance group of just 13. The mileage is low at just 31,000 miles, and the car comes with full service history. As you can see, the Boracay Blue paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you'll see the Mokka's got first of all the raised driving position there with easy access in and out. A few features worth mentioning: you've got the automatic gearbox on this model, climate control and DAB radio, and you've also got heated leather seats. And as you can see, there are two-tone dark grey and black, which is nice. And also you've also got a heated steering wheel there with cruise control. The Mokka's a brilliant family car, so easy access into the back there to get kids in and out of car seats, and lots of leg room. And I see the car's also got a 3-pin plug there in the middle to charge devices, and you've also got Vauxhall's carpet floor mat still in place as well. As we have a look inside the back, you see you've got a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place as well. And underneath the boot floor, you've got loads of extra storage there to hide things out of sight. So overall, a very practical car. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, alloy wheels, and front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been inspected by the AA, who's been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 7.9% with a zero deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.